If I'd known you were in hospital, I would have gone to see you.
I didn't see you when you passed me in the street. If I'd seen you, of course I would have said hello.
I didn't go out last night. I would have gone out if I hadn't been so tired.
If he had been looking where he was going, he wouldn't have walked into the wall.
The view was wonderful. If I'd had a camera with me, I would have taken some pictures.
I'm not hungry. If I was hungry, I would eat something.
I wasn't hungry. If I had been hungry, I would have eaten something.
If I had seen you, I would have said hello.
If I'd seen you, I'd have said hello.
I wish I'd known that Gary was ill. I would have gone to see him. I feel sick. I wish I hadn't eaten so much cake.
Do you wish you'd studied science instead of languages?
The weather was cold when we were on holiday. I wish it had been warmer.
If I'd gone to the party last night, I would be tired now.
If I'd gone to the party last night, I would have met lots of people. If the weather hadn't been so bad, we would have gone out.
If the weather hadn't been so bad, we could have gone out.
If the weather hadn't been so bad, we might have gone out.